Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cupcakes look professional with an easy method. Achieving a polished look starts before any decorating. First, ensure you use a consistent amount of batter in each liner for uniform size. Next, bake your cupcakes until they are just set, avoiding any overbaking which can lead to dry, uneven tops. Finally, always allow them to cool completely before you even think about frosting. These foundational steps are crucial for a perfect base. Now for the fun part, decorating. You don't need to be a pastry chef to make them look amazing. Start by piping your frosting using a large round or star tip for a classic elegant swirl. Then, add a touch of sparkle with some sprinkles or edible glitter. For a fresh, natural touch, consider a simple garnish like a fresh berry or a small mint leaf. These easy techniques instantly elevate your cupcakes. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to add ambience while you bake. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To truly achieve that professional finish, pay attention to the details. Make sure your frosting is smooth and evenly distributed across each cupcake. Using decorative cupcake wrappers or liners can also add a sophisticated touch to your presentation. Finally, arrange your beautifully decorated cupcakes neatly on a display stand or platter. These small efforts make a big difference in creating a stunning visual impact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.